looking for is a CAN bus. If you see in a picture, it's a CAN bus headlight replacement, so it's varies in terms of price and where it's been made from, which is supplied from China. So what I'm looking for is an error-free CAN bus, so when the system tries to read, it doesn't provide the dashboard with warning error regarding the parking sensor. So the type that I bought is similar to this one, so I'm just going to click it. So before we go further into details regarding the
welcome to another video in my YouTube channel. So it seems that my parts have already arrived and been delivered to me. So today I'm going to replace the CAN bus bulb so that my halo ring or angel eyes can light up. So what you need is, first you need a set of proper tools to open, which is this is T30. So it's a proper tool to open the headlamp. Okay, we have one here, and I'm going to open up this so that it will able me to access the screw, one screw here and also a screw down here. Okay guys, hopefully I can settle this problem by today. Connected the top screw. So I already removed the cover for the lamp here, the bulb. So I'm going to open the parts here inside. I don't know whether you can see, so I'm going to turn the light. So yeah, we have one screw there, and the other screw is here. You can see it. Okay, so you just have to loosen it up. You don't need to completely open it. So I'm going to take a proper tools to open it. So I hope you can bear with me, guys. So to loosen up the screw, you just need to the tools you need is a T20, so it will fit to it. You just have to loosen it up and do not fully open it, just loosen it up. So I already loosened this, and I'm going to be doing the part here next. The headlight on the right side, so I'll do this one first, then I'll do the other one. Hope you can bear with me, guys. So it's look like the ring light for the angel eyes has some tears. It's but it's repairable and some sign of burns here and there, so I'm trying to fix it and try to see what I can do with this part here. I have already changed the halo ring light bulb to the one I bought. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but now its original color is yellowish and now it's cold white, so it's a good upgrade for me. Like it working, and I already replaced both of the angel eyes bulb. So okay, so this is the effect. You can see it's not blinking, right? So, and the error message didn't show the parking light error message anymore. This is what the ring light looks like during night time. So both I have already installed, left and right, so it's looking nice and hopefully it will last long. This is the left side of the headlamp ring light installed, also called white color. So it's very nice, looks so elegant from here, and it's look tough. So I'm really loving this upgrade, guys. So I hope Beamers up there, if you want to upgrade your ring light, just do it as I have done to my E60. Now I'm going to take a look on the iDrive. So let's just get ahead on it, and I'm going to press the info source, and we see here the service, check control message, and it shows, oh, okay, no fault. So the parking light sensor doesn't show any error when I use the canvas to replace the Halo Light bulb. So this is a good sign. So hopefully it will last long, and I hope you can buy the canvas with the proper guidance from me in my previous video, where I show how I bought the canvas light. And for future videos, please like and subscribe my channel. So I'll see you in the future, guys.